Then the guys, they look so monkeys sometimes. Like so monkey face. And when they're staring at me also, it's like this. They already tried to give me a wife here, a single mom. Who the hell wants to have a single mom? Jesus Christ. Them single mom, you're gonna, I don't know, guys. When you will come to the Philippines, don't get yourself a single mom. Single mom, Jesus Christ. It's like some Filipino banged the woman already, and now you're gonna come here and you're gonna take over. Yeah.
You think I'll wait for you?
You wanna try?
Yes.
You sure? Okay, try. Try. A bad boy.
A few moments later.
Absolutely, I regret this. I regret this. If I will look this back, if I will look this back now, I'm embarrassed. But I cannot change what I've done and what I've said. But I'm very embarrassed. Friendly people, I love Dumaguete, I love Philippines. I have nothing against the Philippines.
What's your the City Council of Dumaguete passed a resolution declaring you as persona non grata?
No, you know persona non grata, meaning that you are not welcome here.
I'm sad. I'm very sad. I'm very, very sad. Yeah. I'm very sad.
Sad, very sad. So that's why he's going home.
When you call monkeys to the Dumagueteños, are you feeling sad?
Yeah, absolutely, I regret this. I regret this. If I will look this back, if I will look this back now, I'm embarrassed. But I cannot change what I've done and what I've said. But I'm very embarrassed. And I'm very sorry about this. But I cannot undone this.
Attorney, why was he arrested and handcuffed, bro?
That is the normal procedure because he will be under deportation. So, in order to protect the interest of the government candidate siya Gustavo, madalang yun sa Manila, i-handcuff na siya. But there is no imprisonment here. It's just an administrative matter for his deportation and overstaying and deportation. So, consequent.
Being handcuffed, wala
criminal. Because the matter is administrative. There's no criminal liability.
Okay, sir, what is your plan now to your post that circulated to the social medias?
you will delete it.
That you said you're the monkeys and don't get it. Because it's circulated. What will you do now?
Like, will you be issuing a public issue, apology?
Public apology for
Yeah.
that.
Absolutely. I will do this. I will do this.
You will erase.
I will erase the video and I will do a public apology acknowledging that I know what I've done wrong. And I'm very sorry about this. I'm very sorry.
You want to give your apology right now?
I want to give a proper apology, but I will do this on my YouTube channel.
Okay.
But I am very sorry, but I will do a proper apology on my YouTube channel.
Formal.
In your account.
Exactly.
We look forward to that.
How many followers you have?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure in one point. But right now I don't know how much I have. Under 100,000.
100,000.
Under.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Sim. SIM card, TM or Bluetooth? No. Okay, guys. Kailangan sa pagkakalaw.
Sir, I'm very sorry. I see you are offended when I said.
I'm a media. I'm a member of media too.
I take this. I'm very sorry about it.
We'll come out
I
with
won't say this personally. I don't mean this. I didn't really mean this. It's just.
Listen, in English, yung masimple lang.
Okay.
Ha? You live now? Okay, you can live now. So, about the matter, about good luck. It will be your wife. It will be your wife who will give me.
Yeah.
Sorry for the Filipino. Go ahead.
Good luck, no?
We're sorry for
Good luck, Good luck, Do not
Sorry
do.
for the Filipino.
Sorry for the Filipino.
Sorry for what you said to what you did to the Philippines. You want to say I'm sorry?
Of course I'm sorry. Of course I'm sorry. I'm
You
sorry
will
what
make
I've done.
a
Yeah.
formal.
I will make a formal apology on my YouTube channel.
Thank you.
Okay. My pleasure. The world is very near nowadays. We can, even if you're in Estonia, you can call me with pardon me. Welcome to your wife.
Lot of white people in Estonian or black people?
We have so many foreigners in our city
Okay.
because it's a university city. We have black
University.
people, we have Filipinos, we have everything.
So you know English. You know English.
My English was so bad when I came to the Philippines. I have practiced my English a lot.
What is your job in Estonia? You're
I used to do e-commerce.
e-commerce.
Yeah.
So your message to the Dumaguete, your message.
And to the councillor. Yeah, and to the council.
I love
City
Dumaguete. Dumaguete is very beautiful. Dumaguete is very beautiful city. And very, very beautiful people. Friendly people. I love Dumaguete. I love Philippines. I have nothing against the Philippines. It's just my mistakes that I did. And unfortunately, I have to leave right now.
All right.
And I'm sad. I'm very sad.
Bye-bye. Amping po. You know Bisaya? Sir, asa siya dadon, sir?
Manila.
Sa kayo sa airport ni?
Oo, karon.
Karon na? Okay. So, sir, proceed na mo sa airport, sir? Karon? Proceed na mo sa airport?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Di ba po, in English, bilis ay, ano ko na pulis mo
Ni ko proceed na mo sa airport. Gikla. Mga kaubas buhat, no? Nakadiri, no? Si Sir Choy, Sir Nel Rio, si Brochi sa Bayridyo, si Roybas, K5, o sa Metro Post. Diri, no? Mga kaubas buhat.
Asa na mo gawa?
Bloomberg.
Cartoon Network. ABS-CBN.
Kaya, di mo gana mo video ni? Saan mo ni? Ala, ini?
Lain, ngayon mo.
Dagong yung maswat ko.
Idineklarang persona non grata sa Dumaguete City ang Estonian vlogger na si Sim Rosipo na kilala bilang pro-life traveler dahil sa umano'y mga video niyang mapanlait at nakakasakit sa mga Pilipino. Sa resolusyong inihain ni City Councilor Renz Macion, iginiit na minamaliit umano ng vlogger ang mga Pilipino, kabilang na ang mga single mother. Sa isa sa kanyang mga video, tinawag pa umano ni Rosipo na unggoy ang ilang kalalakihan sa isang public market. Humingi naman ng paumanhin ang vlogger at iginiit na nagsisisi siya at wala umano siyang intensyong saktan ang mga Pilipino. Samantala, noong Enero 14, nagsilbi ang Bureau of Immigration ng mission order laban kay Rosipo matapos siyang iklasipika bilang undesirable alien dahil sa umano'y paglabag sa Philippine Immigration Act of 1940, partikular ang overstaying sa bansa gamit ang expired na visa.
To pass a resolution to declare this Estonian national who is residing at Barangay Cantili of Dumaguete as persona non grata.
That Sim Rosipo, also known as Pro-Life Traveler or SIM, an Estonian national presently staying in Dumaguete City, be and is hereby declared